How to create a 7K membership. Hello everyone, my name is Rick Fronick, and in today's short video I'm going to share with you step by step how you can create your 7K membership and start saving in the form of silver and gold today. And first and foremost, what I want to point out is if someone referred to you to the silverandgoldSolutions.org website, or they shared this video with you, I want you to get back with that person and find out what their username is so that they can get credited for sharing this great opportunity of 7K with you. And because it's the biggest concept of 7K is it's a pay it forward system. So they always want to make sure that anyone who's creating a membership actually does mention who referred them to 7K. Okay, so that's how they pay it forward, and that's actually how you earn passively at the same time as well. So when you actually put the 7kmetals.com, in this case here, my username is Rick F, and so that's what's going to be below here in the video. Once you put that in the browser, what's going to pull up is the 7 countries that 7K is available in. That's the United States, United Kingdom, Singapore, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. So go ahead and click on the appropriate country that you're in. So in this case here, we're in the United States. So I want to click on the United States. And what it's going to do is it's going to bring you to the 7K homepage. Okay, and on this homepage here, if you scroll down just a little bit, it's going to show you 3 short videos: save, share, and earn. And each one gives like a little 10,000 foot overview of the benefits of saving in the form of silver and gold with 7K metals. So this is something I highly encourage you to watch those videos. But if you've already been educated about what the great benefits of 7K, you can go ahead and click this button here that says "That is simple, I'm in." So once you click on that, it's going to bring up 2 choices for you. There's either the standard membership, which is $199, or the premium membership, which is $499. So in this case here, each one, it shows you all the benefits for each type of membership here. It's got everything listed out, and it also includes what type of silver or gold you're going to get with your membership welcome package. And that's part of the membership. It's not just where you pay and then you get nothing for it. They actually have a very nice welcome package, and that's what's kind of covered here in the descriptions below the standard of their premium. So for educational purposes here, we're just going to go ahead and go with the standard. And then it's also going to ask you right away if you want to go with the autosave, if you want to set up your autosaver program right away. Now, this is something that they do have a feature here where you actually can click this. It says "No thanks, I'll add this later." But then again, the whole purpose of 7K is to get you give you the opportunity to save on a monthly basis, which actually starts building that generational wealth for you. So in this case here, we'll just go over the types of autosaver coins real quick. There's a specialty, which is 179. This is the high end one. This is a half gram graded gold coin that you get, and that's a real nice one here. It's a half gram solid gold, and then that's 179. The basic, which is the lowest end, is $105, and that's your U.S. Silver Eagle. And right now they're running the 50 state series, so they would have you would be signed up to get one of each of the 50 different states. And then there's also the variety, which is right now it's the colorized animal silver coin. Okay, so that's something that's very nice as well. So they'll have all, in the United States, you have 50 different states, and each state has their own type of animal for that state. Okay, so that was what that one would be. So what we're going to do is here, we'll go ahead and go with the variety. So just actually, you know what, we're going to bypass this because on the next page, it'll show you exactly what your charges are. So I'm going to go ahead and hit no, and it's going to say hit continue. Okay, so now what they always do is they always have a special opportunity to share with everyone. So in this case here, they have this this PF70 silver hedgehog, which is PF70 is another perfectly graded coin. There's either PF70 or MS70, and that's perfectly graded coin. So in this case here, it gives you the option if you wanted to do this right away, and you don't have to. But in this case here, if you wanted it, you'd hit I'll take it, and if not, you just hit the no thanks. Let's finish this. So what it's going to do is it's going to show you the total cost for your membership today. Okay, in this case here, I did not choose my autosaver yet, but with the autosaver program, you have 5 days to choose from, and you can do that within your first 30 days. And they highly recommend you do it right away. That way you don't forget it or put it off. But you have 30 days to go ahead and get that started. And in this case here, with the autosaver, you have the days of the 1st, 8th, 15th, 21st and 26th of every month. So depending on when you're watching this video, even if you say if you were started watching this video on the 1st of the month, but you didn't want to have your autosaver shipped till the 26th, you can do that and have it scheduled. So it's something that you can do, and a lot of members do just go ahead and have it started shipped right away so they can start building that collection or that wealth too. But like in this case here, just for the straight membership package for the standard, which is $199 for the entire entire year, so that's 12 months. It shows that I did not select an autosaver yet. And with your membership package, there are charges for the FedEx two-day guarantee. And because with your membership package, they do send you a nice welcome package. And so that's insured and it's tracked. And so the total the cost for the basic membership would be $206.99 today. Okay. So then what's going to do is you're just going to go ahead and you can actually change this too. So like if you wanted to change it to premium after you got to the screen, you could actually hit change and do that. But then next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and fill out your first name and your last name, your full address. And also I want to point out, make sure that the address that you put is the address that is on your driver's license or your state ID, or depending on what country you're in, because that's part of their checks and balances. So they make sure that your shipping address matches whatever your state or country ID is. Okay, so in this case here with the United States, it would just be like your driver's license or your government issued ID. So you go ahead and put all this information in here, and then you read. It says, please read shipping address and member's responsibility. So that's what they're kind of describing about making sure that you say who you are and your address matches your IDs and everything. And then you're going to go ahead and right here, this is where you're going to go ahead and create your username. Now, this is going to be the affiliate link that you're going to be given, which is going to be your own personal website for 7K, which is pretty cool. So right off the bat, you're going to get your own type of website that looks just like what we've been on here so far today. So you want to pick a username, and I usually recommend something fairly simple. That way it's easy to remember, so you can tell people to say, hey, www.7kmetals.com / and then your username. Okay. And I always tell people to try and maintain their professionalism, because they are really an outstanding company. And so you want to maintain the integrity of the company. So you go ahead and put that in there, your email address, your best email address, your phone number, and then your password, and you confirm your password. And then here's where you would put in your credit card information or your bank debit card. And you want to make sure all this information is filled out all the way. And then you're going to go ahead and look at the terms of agreement, the privacy policy, and go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to go ahead and purchase your membership. Okay. And because I didn't have all this information there because I already have my account, but that's what you would do. And once you click purchase your membership, you are set, you are good to go. They will send you an email confirmation, just reconfirming everything that you've set up with them. And then also they will also have in that email confirmation your affiliate link or your username. So that way you can begin sharing this great opportunity with everybody else. So I hope you enjoyed this short video here. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I will have my email address where you can contact me below, or if you found this on the website, you can just hit the contact button and I will get in touch with you as quickly as possible. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I appreciate you. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.